everyone, welcome to our third computing lesson. Let's recap what we did last week. We added a second sprite. For our first sprite to chase, we gave it instructions and we added coding for our first sprite to make a sound when it touched our second sprite. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to add a scoreboard to your game. So let's start off. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to add a variable and we need to rename it. So if we click on variables, click make variable, type in score, and you can keep it for all sprites, that's fine. Click OK, and you'll see on your game screen in the corner it says score and 0. Okay, so let's give our scoreboard some instructions. Now you can move your screen down if there's not enough space. Let's start off with the vents like we always do. So when the go button is clicked, and I'm going to click on variables because I need to set my scoreboard to 0. So I'm going to click set, then from the drop down menu find score to 0. The next thing I'm going to do is add two control buttons. So the first one is forever because we want it to always be doing this, and the second one is this one where it says if and then a space for a new button and then. Now the button we're going to add into this space here is going to be a sensing button, and that will be the touching. So when the go button is clicked, set the score to 0 forever. Now if touching, so we need to change this to balloon, then we need to go back to variables, change score by 1, and this will change. Now I want it to also make a sound. So if we click on the sound button, we can add in play sound. So play the sound pop until done. Now let's see if it works. So I'm going to press go here. Let's see, I'm going to try and catch my balloon. There we go, and you can see that the score changed to 44. Right, and that's it for today. Have a play around, change the sounds. Remember, you can record your own sound, you can change the score by 5 points, by 10 points, it's all up to you. So have fun, stay safe, and I will see you next time.